Hi, Yefo. How are you? Welcome to your ICT lesson. This lesson is going to be on PowerPoint and it's going to be a project-based lesson. Basically, in this lesson, you're not going to be learning anything new. You are going to be, however, using the skills that you've been acquiring in the past couple of weeks, learning about PowerPoint, and just show them, combine them all into one project. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, I'd like to ask you to open the PowerPoint that has been attached for you either on My Learning or on Class Dojo. So once again, our learning objective for this lesson is to create a slideshow about about a topic using text box, audio, recording, video, pictures, animations, and transitions. These skills we learned in the past couple of weeks. Right, guys, so step by step, what do you have to do? First of all, open Microsoft PowerPoint, choose the template that you like the most, and then choose your topic. What is the general topic for this week is the new seven wonders of the world. You will or you have already learnt about it in social studies, so that's why I'd like you to additionally focus on it in this lesson. I included 6 different wonders of the world that you can choose from. You can either go for the Great Wall of China or Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Chichen Itza, Roman Colosseum, Taj Mahal, or Petra in Jordan. Completely up to you. Once you chose your topic, you will create a title page. You will write the name of the wonder that you chose, for example, the Great Wall of China, and then you will write your name in the box below. All right. Then after this, you will create 2 more slides, guys. What will you need to use on these slides? Each slide will have a text box, an audio recording, a video. Guys, don't include a YouTube video link on the slide. It must be an actual video. If you remember, we had a lesson on how to insert videos into your slides and how to download YouTube videos if you want to do that. Please, if you're downloading from YouTube, please use this link here and safely download your video, okay? All right, then each slide will have to have a picture and an animation. Guys, animation will have to be used for both your text box and a picture. And then each slide will have to have a transition, okay? Guys, these things in the brackets 2 times means it's because it's going to be on each slide. So 2 slides, so 2 times, okay? So 1 text box, 1 audio recording, 1 video, picture, animation, and transition per slide. However, make sure that both your text box and your picture are animated. Right, so in total you will create 3 slides. Guys, make sure you follow the steps and do it correctly. Please make sure you really do this. We don't want to be sending your work back, so you have to work additionally. Just make sure you follow the steps and you submit it once and it's all correct. Will save you time. Okay, so you will have to submit a video on Class Dojo. What will you have to do in that video? Obviously, the audio recordings will have to be your voice and you will have to be reading out what's in your text box. So play that and play your video. Guys, make sure you choose short videos around 3 to 4 minutes long. And when you show it in your final video on Dojo, please just play like 1 minute of it, not even that, okay? Because if you're gonna play each video until the end, that recording is gonna take you like good 10 minutes. So just play about 1 minute or half of it, okay? All right, perfect. I included screenshots of how mine looked. I chose Machu Picchu, Peru, so I put that in the title on the title page with my name. And then again, the name of the wonder that I chose. And here is the text box. Here is a picture. Here's a video and an audio recording. And again, slide number 2. Again, text box, picture, video, and audio recording. Now, guys, I would like you to reflect a little bit and think about what ACPs you'll be using, okay? I hope that you've considered, okay, strategy planning, meta thinking, strategy planning, and connection finding. How? When I'm planning a strategy, I need to think about how am I going to do this, okay? What resources am I going to use? Am I going to use just internet or something else? Um, what steps do I need to take to make a successful project or to make this project a success? Okay. And then we will use a bit of connection finding. I'd like you to think about, where did I learn this before? How can I apply the skills I acquired in previous lessons to complete my project and make it really nice and presentable? So this is your high performance learning. Good luck with your project. Please follow the instructions exactly. Now, I would just, towards the end of this video, I'd like to show you how mine looked. So here we go. This is the title page. Transition, guys. This was transition number 1. So animated text, animated picture, audio recording. Machu Picchu is a 15 Okay, and a video as well. Okay, please play about 1 minute of your video. All right, then we go on to the next slide. Again, transition, guys. And here we have animated text box, animated picture, and again, we have audio recording. Okay, and a video. Okay, about 1 minute of my video, and that's it. That's the end, guys. So please don't forget, follow the instructions. It's very important, and show us what you know. Show us what you have been learning in the past couple of weeks. All right, looking forward to seeing your little projects. See you next week.